Hey guys, I had some questions the other day when I showed a video of greasing the hammers on my air tools, and everybody asked, what do you mean grease the hammers? So I thought I would do one on my little 3/8 here just to show everybody what I meant by greasing the hammers. First you got to take the end caps off the impact. Sometimes there's 3 screws, sometimes on the bigger ones there's 4. It's pretty simple, really. I tell you, if you do this every 6 months, you never have to buy another one. It lasts a long time when you take care of your tools. What a beautiful day today in California. Probably could already have these loose before I started this video, and it wouldn't take so long to take out some screws. Duh. Oh well. Anyways. What are you laughing at? Okay, you're going to pull the cover off. That. Then you're going to take out the anvil shaft. See that thing right there? And you're going to be careful, and you're going to pull the hammers out like that. You remember where this washer goes. There's a little ridge right here. That side goes towards the air motor. Always remember that. All right. Then you're going to pull these 2 pins right here. And there you have it. There's a hammer cage. And what that does is rotate around and beat on itself, and that creates the vibration and the energy to break that bolt loose. So the first thing we do, wipe off everything really good. Get all that old junk out of there. Clean her up, make sure there's no particles in there that would wear. And we grease the cage. I'm using Ingersoll Rand grease. Yeah, it's a little messy, but so. Slide that back into there, like that. Wipe off the anvil. And this one you show no mercy with grease. I mean, give it a good amount of grease. I mean good. Don't play. Don't conserve. Grease her up. I'm going to slide these pins back in, like so. Yipes. Okay. find the slot. Right there. Right there should blow. Okay, then we're going to take all this greasy old anvil, stick her in. Now this is a collar, and inside this cap is a bushing in there. So you want this good and greasy. And we're going to take this right here. We're going to make sure our washer's facing the right way with that little groove or a little raise right there towards the bearing of the motor. We're going to place this back on top of there. The hammer. And then we're going to slide this little puppy back down on here. This. Line up the holes. Put the screws back in. You know what? That gasket fell off there, didn't it? Sure did. Put that back. This gasket doesn't really seal anything. It just kind of keeps dirt and dust out of there. There she is. Out there. Put that sucker back in. I don't know why I brought gloves out today. Stupid. I like touching what I'm working at. Alright, cinch these babies back down. Be careful, these are aluminum threads in here. If you get too monster on them, you can strip it out. Yep. All right. Then we're going to take some oil, air tool oil. Put a few drops in there. I like to get it heavy at first. Make sure your trigger's pulled all the way, then it'll go into the veins. Give her a twister. And then hook the air to it. That's all there is to it, guys. Done deal. serviced. See ya.